Rice. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. I don't know, Gucci. Gucci went down. Fucking, I don't know, man. They used to be a top tier brand. Now they just like hype piece brand. Gucci fucking whack nowadays. Every time I see someone pretending to be their fucking rich, they got a Gucci belt with the fucking G or whatever on it. It's kind of. Gucci said it's fucking whack. Like back in the day, though, they were upper tier brand. I really liked. I bought Gucci stuff, but no, it's just. And then I got a belt that fits me. I'm too fat. Keck. But I don't know. Like, there's a lot of companies that I grew up. You know, they're brands, whatever. Dig it up out of the ground, they resell it. You know, you configure it or whatever. And they were great when I was a kid, but I grow up and they changed their marketing practices. They're kind of, you know, they're catering to the lowest common denominator. It really dilutes the brand. I think that Gucci is like a lower tier brand than Supreme nowadays because they went that route. You get where I'm coming from? Just my observation. But also, I don't know too much about brands. It's just like how they came out with some fucking washes and shit. Louis Vuitton. I don't wear